Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to measure the diameter of your rotors without removing the wheel. And to do this I'm gonna be using two longer screwdrivers. First screwdriver I'm gonna install in one corner. As you can see, it's right there. So it is flush with the top of the surface of the rotor. And the other one, I placed it diagonally on the opposite side. And now it's ideally, so this one needs to be flat, so basically it will be, let's see, like this. So that's gonna be true measurement now. And now I'm gonna grab my tape and I'm gonna measure the distance between these two screwdrivers, and that's gonna tell me diameter of this rotor. And now I place the measuring tape, and now I want to check right here. So diameter of this rotor is 330 millimeters or 13 inches. So you want to make sure they are placed diagonally on opposite sides, and that's gonna give you measurement of diameter. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.